Every day, nurses are asked to do more with less, and AI tools offer a tempting way to handle the crushing administrative load. But there is a hard stop. You cannot upload patient data or institutional knowledge into corporate cloud servers. The solution is to build a sterile field. Just like prepping for a procedure, you need a clean, governed environment. We do this by setting up a private AI operating system that runs entirely offline, right on your own computer. To run this system, you need the right equipment. This mockup shows a typical system spec sheet. Your primary device needs to be a Mac or PC from the last 5 years, with a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM. Once your hardware is verified, everything we build is governed by a single rule. Agents propose, humans judge, nurses steward. By building this local operating system, you become an active steward of care intelligence, ensuring technology remains a controlled extension of your professional reach. Step 1 is digital hygiene. Set up a brand new free Gmail account dedicated exclusively to your AI tools. Next, go to your computer desktop. Create a single empty master folder and name it Nurse AI OS. Cautionary: keep this workspace completely isolated. Do not store personal banking documents, family photos, or institutional emails inside this directory. Now, download and install Hermes, the open-source software engine that will power your local AI. During setup, point Hermes directly to your Nurse AI OS folder, granting access to only that directory. Think of this as badge access for a float nurse, restricting staff to an assigned unit. It cannot wander into other areas of your computer. You will know you've done this correctly when the Hermes interface opens and displays your dedicated local folder as its only available workspace. Physically isolating the software at the folder level creates a hard barrier. It stops accidental data leaks and ensures the system only sees the information you explicitly provide. Now that the engine is installed, drag your completed sol.md file into your main Nurse AI OS folder. This document contains your specific values and professional boundaries. It acts as your standing orders, providing the explicit limits that keep the AI from attempting to make clinical judgments. Command the AI directly in Hermes to read your SOL file and confirm its understanding of what it is never allowed to delegate. This interface mockup shows a successful readback. The AI responds by listing exactly what it cannot do, proving it has registered your professional constraints. These standing orders bind the AI to your professional license, creating a governed agent that respects your ethical boundaries. Inside your master folder, create 3 subfolders: O3 Memory, O4 Projects, and O8 Integrations. This architecture gives your system continuity. Instead of losing work in a fragmented chat history, the memory folder collects your handoff notes, building a searchable digital Cardax. Open Hermes and paste the station board prompt from your starter kit. This commands the AI to build your customized visual dashboard. The AI will generate a block of code. Save that text as an HTML file in your integrations folder, then double-click it to open it in your web browser. Direct. Even though this opens in a browser, you do not need an internet connection. There is no account to create and no website to log into. Take a look at this mockup. The URL bar begins with file:// rather than HTTP. This indicates the file is running locally on your hard drive, completely isolated from the internet. You now have a private mission control. It gives you an immediate, at-a-glance view of your priorities without exposing a single piece of data to the cloud. Your sterile field is now fully active. You have an organized file architecture, an engine restricted to a single local folder, and a private browser dashboard operating smoothly together. From this point forward, your files, your prompts, and the AI's memory remain your exclusive property. To put the system to work, open your station board, copy the morning huddle prompt, and paste it into Hermes to safely prioritize your tasks for the day. Establishing this local environment ensures that as care intelligence evolves, the nurse remains the primary filter for all innovation at the bedside.